Hello and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to enable Symmetric in Illustrator. Let's draw a face avatar shape using pen tool. Select Object. Object, group or press Command and G on Mac, Control and G in Window. Effect, distort and transform, then transform. Choose Reflect Direction and change copy value to 1. Now the group is in symmetric mode. If you want to add more details, enable Isolate mode. After the work done, go to Object, Expand Appearance to merge the mirror into single object. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe my channel.